AMU-LED is a European project financed by the CESAR-EU. The aim of the project is to demonstrate how the airspace system can enable urban air mobility. It will help in the development of the technology in a way that can be implemented seamlessly in Europe. So when you think about the applications of urban mobility, usually they tend to think about pizza deliveries or parts deliveries, which is the easy answer. But in reality, there's way more than that. You have medical appliances, you have appliances for firefighters, public services, surveillance, inspections, a lot of things that can really be beneficial for society when implemented through drones. airspace is the system that is implemented for the air traffic management of drones. The easier comparison is air traffic control for general aviation, so airspace would be air traffic control for drones in a more automated way.
So Altitude Angel are the world's leading UTM provider. Our services allow manned aviation and drones to cohabit in a safe and secure environment, and it's providing the backbone and safety services behind today's operations. So we'll be seeing some in-flight instructions as well as commands, hold, pause and things like that, all in real time. So you'll see exactly what happens through our screens and allowing today's operation to happen safely.
The flights are done in Amsterdam, so these are done in the CTR of Schiphol and also in a populated environment, so you can imagine that the risks are much higher. The other flight that will be performed is a beyond visual line of sight flight, and this means that the pilot is controlling the drone without having the drone in his line of sight.
So important for us as a municipality is that the public will accept actually this new form of mobility, transportation, innovation. We want to be at the forefront of innovation. That enables us actually to prevent disruptions that had taken us for surprise. Think about disruptions like Uber or Airbnb. Great solutions, but the impact on the city was tremendous.
With these demonstrations, we have shown what is the status of the technology at this moment. So we know where we're at. And now the next steps will be to continue to develop the technology so that it's fully implemented in societies.